Let me tell you something very important. If you use WhatsApp, email, or online banking, hackers are already targeting you. Not your computer, but you. And the scary part is that the most people don't even realize it. Most people think hacking means breaking into systems, servers, or writing some complex code. That's wrong. In real life, hackers choose the easiest target, and the easiest target is the human. Today I'll show you how hackers really attack normal people and how you can protect yourself even if you're not a technical person. Cybersecurity is not about computers, it's about human psychology. Hackers don't force their way into systems, they trick you into opening the door. They use fear, urgency, curiosity, and trust. Let me show you three most common attacks used every day on normal people. Attack number one is phishing. You receive an email that looks like it's from Google, PayPal, maybe from your bank account, or maybe from Amazon. It says like your account has been suspended, suspicious login attempts, verify your account now. You get panic and you click on the links. The page looks like real, logo, colors, everything, but it's fake. The moment you type your email address and password, boom, the hacker gets them immediately. It's not hacking, you just gave them the key. So protection rule, never click login links from the emails, always open the websites yourself. Attack number two is very popular, WhatsApp OTP scams. Someone send you message says, sorry I sent you a code by mistake, please send it back. The code is basically your WhatsApp verification code. If you share it, the hackers log into your WhatsApp account and boom, your account has gone. Then they message your contact and scam them using your name. So protection rule, no company, no friend, no tech support team will ever ask your OTP code. Never share it, not even once. Attack number three is random links. You receive a message like, look at this video, is that you? Or click here for free money. The link can steal your login and install malware and take you to the fake websites. One click is enough. Protection rule, if you don't respect a link, don't click it here. Curiosity is expensive in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not complicated. Follow these three rules and you will be safer than most people. Number one, never click on the links you didn't request it. Enable two-factor authentication everywhere. Number three, slow down. Urgency is always a red flag. Hackers want you to act fast. Security means slow down. Hackers don't hack systems, they hack people. If you understand this, you're already ahead of 90% of users. I'll be posting real cybersecurity lessons for beginners on this channel. Subscribe if you don't want to be an easy target.